Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful Jello fruit salad. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 large 3-ounce box of your favorite Jello flavor, 1 cup of boiling water, and 1 cup of cold water. Don't forget a variety of canned fruits, like mandarin oranges or pineapple. Remember to drain all the fruit very well. This is crucial for the perfect consistency. Now, let's prepare the gelatin. Carefully pour the entire contents of your Jello powder into a heat-proof bowl. Next, add 1 cup of boiling water to the powder. It's important to stir this mixture continuously for at least 2 minutes. You want to ensure that all the gelatin granules are completely dissolved, leaving no lumps behind. This step is key for a smooth and evenly set salad. Once the gelatin is fully dissolved, it's time to cool it down and add the fruit. Stir in 1 cup of cold water to the mixture. This helps bring the temperature down before adding your fruit. Then, gently fold in your well-drained canned fruits. Popular choices include mandarin oranges, crushed pineapple, or a mixed fruit cocktail. Be sure not to overmix, just combine them evenly. Finally, the waiting game begins. Transfer your Jello fruit salad mixture into a serving dish. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or until it is completely firm. For the very best results and a perfectly set salad, I recommend chilling it overnight. Once firm, your delicious and refreshing Jello fruit salad is ready to be served and enjoyed by everyone.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.